Subscribe and download over 1 million code snippet including this tutorial from codegive.com, link in the description below. Title, A Guide to Handling Date Formats in Python Pandas. Introduction. Working with dates in data analysis is a common task, and Python's pandas library provides powerful tools for handling date and time data. In this tutorial, we will explore how to work with date formats in pandas, covering topics such as reading date columns, converting strings to datetime objects, formatting dates, and extracting useful information from date columns. Importing pandas and reading data. Before we start working with dates, make sure you have pandas installed. You can install it using. Now, let's import pandas and read a dataset with date columns. Converting strings to datetime objects. Often, date columns are read as strings. We need to convert them to datetime objects for meaningful analysis. Use the pd2_datetime function. Formatting dates. You can format dates to your preferred output using the strftime method. For example, extracting information from dates. Pandas allows you to extract various components of a date, such as year, month, day, etc. This can be useful for time-based analysis. Handling time zones. Pandas also supports time zone handling. You can localize or convert time zones using the tz_localize and tz_convert methods. Dealing with missing dates. Sometimes, datasets may have missing or erroneous date values. You can handle this using the errors parameter in pd2_datetime. Conclusion. Working with date formats in Python pandas is a crucial skill for effective data analysis. By mastering the techniques discussed in this tutorial, you'll be better equipped to handle date columns in your datasets and extract valuable insights from time-based data. ChatGPT.